everyone, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and if you haven't, then welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to make a crochet mesh bag. I will add a link to the written pattern in the description box below. The stitches I'll be using in this project will be a chain, a double crochet, a slip stitch, and a treble. And if you don't know how to do a treble crochet stitch, it's really easy, and I'll leave a link in the description box below to a few of the tutorials that I found on YouTube. To start, I'll list out the materials that we'll need. And for this bag, we're going to be doubling up the yarn. So you could either use 2 different colors of yarn, or you can use 2 of the same colors of yarn. You'll need a pair of scissors and a crochet hook. I'll be using a 3.75mm crochet hook. Here, I'm just unraveling the yarn, and I'm going to double up the yarn before I begin crocheting. Start by making your beginning chain stitches. Once you complete your chain stitches, make a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. And continue to double crochet until you reach the end of the chains. Once you complete your last double crochet, chain 7 and flip your project and make a treble stitch into the top of the 4th double crochet. So count 3 double crochets away and make a treble stitch into that next double crochet. Once you complete that treble stitch, chain 3, skip the next 3 double crochet and make a treble stitch into that next double crochet. So that'll be the 4th double crochet. Chain 3, skip the next 3 double crochets and make a treble stitch into that next double crochet. So that'll be the 4th double crochet. And continue this pattern until you reach the end of the row. Once you make a treble stitch into the last double crochet of the row, chain 3 and make a treble stitch into the side of the last chain 3. Chain 3 and make a treble crochet into the top of the 1st double crochet of the next row. Chain 3, skip the next 3 double crochets and make a treble stitch into that next double crochet, so that'll be the 4th double crochet. And continue this pattern until you reach the end of the row. And as you're doing this, you should notice that the treble crochets line up with the treble crochets below. Once you reach the end of the row, chain 3 and make a treble stitch into the side of that 1st double crochet. Chain 3 and on the beginning 7 chains, make a slip stitch into the 4th chain from the bottom. So count up 4 chains and make a slip stitch into that 4th chain. Chain 7 and make a treble crochet stitch into the top of the next treble crochet. Chain 3 and make a treble crochet stitch into the top of the next treble crochet. And continue this process around the whole row until you reach the beginning 7 chains. Once you made your last treble crochet for that row, chain 3. And on the beginning 7 chains, count 4 chains up from the bottom and slip stitch into that 4th chain. So we have 2 rows so far, and at this point your project should look like a little boat or a taco holder, whichever one you prefer. But next you're going to repeat this process for 8 more rows. Once you've completed your 10th row, do not chain 7. This time, make a slip stitch into the next 4 chains. Chain 6 and flip the project. Make a slip stitch into the top of the next treble crochet. And just to make sure you're going in the right direction, the chain 6 should be going above the 4 slip stitches that you made. Flip the project and make 3 slip stitches up the chain 6 that you made. Count 6 empty treble crochets and make a slip stitch into that 6th treble crochet. Flip the project and make a slip stitch into the first 3 chains of the strap, starting from the bottom, working your way up. Flip your project and chain 3. Make a slip stitch into the next treble crochet, and that should form a triangle. Make a slip stitch into the next 4 chains. Flip your project and chain 3. Make a treble crochet into the 4th chain on the strap. It will also be the top of the triangle that you created. Chain 3. Skip the next 3 chains on the strap and make a treble crochet into that 4th chain. Chain 3. Skip the next 3 chains on the strap and make a treble crochet into that 4th chain. And continue this pattern until you reach the other side of the strap. Your last treble crochet on the strap should be on the top of the triangle of the next side. Chain 3 and make a treble crochet into the top of the treble crochet directly below. Make a slip stitch into the next 8 chains. Flip the project and chain 3. Make a treble crochet into the top of the next treble crochet. Next, make a treble crochet into the top of the first treble crochet on the strap. Chain 3. Make a treble crochet into the top of the next treble crochet. Chain 3. Make a treble crochet into the top of the next treble crochet. And continue this pattern until you reach the end of the strap. Once you make a treble crochet into the last treble crochet of the strap, make a treble crochet into the top of the treble crochet directly below. Chain 3. And make a slip stitch into the next treble crochet. Cut your yarn and pull it through the loop. Tie off the ends. And weave in all of the loose ends of the project. And once you finish weaving in the loose ends of the bag, you're completely finished, and I hope you enjoy this bag. I really love it. I think it's perfect for summer. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.